is at the kitchen. At the kitchen. The topic today is at the kitchen, Miss.
Okay.
Okay. At this time, our students in Vietnam are preparing for a new school year, so they are very fantastic for new clothes, for their new clothes, their new their new classes, and then new teachers. Yes.
Yes.
And in
Where,
your country, the student in your country are preparing for new school year.
yes.
Okay.
Next week they go back to school.
Next week. In
Yes.
our country, me too.
Yes.
Okay. The
Um,
topic today.
the topic is the kitchen today. Now, I just want to let you know that next Thursday at this time, I will be flying to another state. I won't be available
Next week you
next
have
Thursday. Yes.
uh you are busy
I'll
for
be on
next.
a plane at this time next week.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I won't be here. And but the following week I'll be okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ready for the conversation today, Miss?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Good
Uh,
to see you too.
yes. One by one, student will stand here and talk with you.
Okay.
Okay, ready. We
Yes.
ready. Lâm, Việt Nam, Nhật Tây, mình hơi nhỏ một chút xíu.
Good morning. How are you today?
Em happy.
I'm happy to see you.
You? I'm happy. I'm happy too.
You happy? I'm happy to see both of you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you.
What can you cook? What can you cook?
I can cook many different foods.
Okay.
My favorite thing to cook is pasta,
Món yêu thích của cô hay nấu là món mì
spaghetti,
Ý. Con biết không? I know pasta. Yes, I know pasta. Yes, I know pasta. I know pasta. I know pasta.
you know. Yes, pasta is from Italy.
Ý là đến từ nước Ý ha, có nguồn gốc từ nước Ý.
It's almost like noodles pasta.
Con biết nấu món gì? I can cook rice,
Right? You cook?
yes, yes.
Wow, that's great.
Yes, Miss. In Vietnam, student in Vietnam can cook rice.
That's fabulous.
Yes, almost student in Vietnam can cook rice.
My son is 24. He can't cook rice.
Oh,
He can scramble eggs. That's what he can do.
I can cook noodle, rice,
Noodle,
eggs.
eggs. So I like to make pasta with seafood with different fish and vegetables.
Cô biết nấu món cá với lại món rau này. Và hỏi cô what's your best dish?
What's your best dish?
My best dish to cook? It would be so many things that I like. So my favorite pasta dish is with tomato sauce and crab.
Các loại nước sốt
That's
con.
my favorite.
Còn con. I think
noodle is fish fried soup, salad.
Wow.
Salad?
Salad.
Yes. Delicious. Salad is very healthy. I eat salad every day. What do you like to cook?
Noodle.
Noodle.
Soup.
Ash. Okay.
Okay. And bye.
Oh,
Thank you.
Next student.
Okay.
Giới thiệu tên tuổi giống như bình thường nha. Chắc là do mắt cho cô chụp hình Ok, bạn nói cô không có nghe được.
Hello.
Hello. Nice to see you today.
Rất vui được gặp các em kìa.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Are
you going to talk to me too? Are you going to take your mask off?
Cô yêu cầu con cởi khẩu trang ra. Đấy là nhá. Nha. Gọi ra để mình học tiếng Anh rồi mình xem để mình xem mình phát âm có đúng không chứ. Để cô còn sửa mình chứ. Nha. Rồi xíu ra luôn. Cô xong cô sửa con xuống con đeo lại. Nha. Mấy bạn dưới đâu thấy mà con chị có mình cô thấy con. Nhân mức thời gian của mấy bạn này về kỹ năng chủ động.
Okay.
Sorry, miss, because he is shy for his face.
That's okay.
Yes, miss.
That's okay. It's okay.
Hỏi cô.
Your classmate can ask me questions. It's okay.
Hỏi cô số 3. How often do you cook?
How often do you cook?
I cook 5 days a week, 5 times a week.
Còn con sao?
I cook every day.
Every day. Wow. That's so grown up. Very proud of you that you can cook.
Con có hay nấu ăn.
What's your favorite thing? What do you cook?
I don't know.
What do you cook?
Con nấu cái gì?
I can cook rice, egg, fish.
Wow. Wow. That's wonderful. I'm very proud of you.
Rồi Nam có thể nấu được món gì? Nhìn cô này nấu được mì. I can cook noodle. Only noodle.
Wow. That's great.
He can cook only noodle.
That's enough. That's good.
Yes.
If you can cook noodles, Maybe by next year you can cook noodles with chicken or noodles and fish. You can add something to it.
Con hay nấu mì gì? Mì gì? Mì mì trứng hay mì gì? Mì trứng hay là mì cá? Mì trứng hay mì cá? Thì nói eggs. I can cook eggs noodle.
I can cook egg noodle.
Eggs.
Egg noodle. Okay.
Dạ. Hỏi tiếp cô đi.
That's wonderful. I'm very proud of both of you for knowing how to cook.
What food do you have this how to cook?
Can you repeat that, please? I'm sorry.
Cái này difficult. Difficult. Rồi đọc lại.
What food do you have difficult to cook?
What food do I cook?
They want to ask you what food do you think are difficult to cook?
Oh, what's difficult to cook? It's difficult to cook. Oh boy, let me think.
It's a hard question.
Yes. I love to cook and I cook all the time. So
Yes.
For me, it's difficult to cook other ethnic food if I've never had it. So I have to follow a recipe. So I don't know how to cook Vietnamese food.
Yes.
So to me, that would be difficult.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Because Vietnamese food is very difficult, and there are a lot of difficult recipes.
Yes. Yes. So that would be difficult. You know what's difficult to make here? Pizza. Pizza is difficult to make, to cook.
Beef or
Do you
fish?
like pizza?
Pizza,
like...
yes, I know. Mấy bạn biết không, do you know pizza? No. Do you like pizza?
No.
Pizza?
Okay.
No?
No.
Oh. Have you ever eat pizza? Ăn chưa? Ăn rồi sao?
Yes.
Sao không biết?
Have you ever eaten pizza?
Không biết nấu hả? They know pizza but they can't cook pizza.
No. It's difficult, but do they like pizza?
Đó rất là khó, cái món pizza rất là khó nấu. Okay. Rồi chào cô.
Hi, Beth.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, miss you.
Bye.
Goodbye, miss you.
Same to you. Thank you.
Next student, please. Kim với Thư nè. Rồi tự tin lên nha, không sao, cô bình thường nè.
Good morning. Hello. How are you today? Hi.
Con khỏe không? Con em có một đó, cô bắt đầu chán rồi.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Cô nói rất vui được gặp các em ở đây á. Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
They look twin girls.
Yes. Yes.
Maybe. Yes. But not twins. Not twins.
Sisters? Are they sisters?
No. No.
They look alike.
Yes.
Yeah.
I look them similar together. Similar each other.
Yes, they do. I was looking and I was trying to figure out. They're very similar.
Yes. Cô nói là nhìn sơ hai em thì rất là giống nhau, y chang nha, hai chị em sinh đôi vậy. Giống. Yes, but they are not a sister. Not sister.
Okay.
Rồi
Okay.
hỏi cô là what câu số 1 đọc được không? What things can you cook? That's all. What things can you cook?
What things can
Oh, I can cook so many things.
Cô đó
I
có
cook
thể nấu rất là nhiều món.
chicken,
Gà nè,
vegetables,
rau nè, rau củ quả nè,
rice, mm, fish,
món cá nè, fish,
steak,
steak,
steak. You know steak, Miss
yeah,
Lucy?
beef, like
Yes,
beef
yes.
sticks. Steak.
Beef steak. Yes.
Cái món thịt
Yes.
bò gì đó, beef steak. Yes, you. I can.
And what can you cook?
Con có thể nấu được món gì? Đây. Nhìn cô. I can cook noodles. Nó to
Noodles. I love noodles. They're delicious.
Đồ mì gì đấy? Mì gì đấy? Mì sao? Fry noodles.
What can you cook?
Fry noodles. I can. Nấu được món gì? Cơm chiên không? Fried rice. Thì nó to lên fried rice.
Oh, that's delicious.
Uh,
Wow.
she can cook fried noodles and she can cook fried rice.
Okay, I'll take an order and you could send it to me because that sounds delicious.
Câu số 2. What is your best dish? Dish.
My best dish is spaghetti and meatballs.
Món của con. Rồi món ngon nhất của con là gì? Món tủ của con là món gì? Trứng hả? Ok, nói đi. Trứng gì? Trứng
Yeah.
chiên.
What?
Fried egg. My best dish. Is fried egg.
Fried eggs.
Fried eggs.
Oh, nice. And your best dish?
Món tủ của con là món gì? Gà nướng. Fried chicken đó.
Fried chicken. Oh, yummy. Yummy. That's great, ladies. That's very good. That's good.
Chào cô.
Bye, ladies. Thank you.
Maybe they are very little girls, so they can cook many foods.
Yes. That's amazing. That's wonderful. I'm so proud of all of them that they know how to cook.
Yes.
Hi.
Đúng rồi.
Hello. Nice to see you.
Cô không thể nhìn thấy con được, con cởi khẩu trang. No, don't be shy.
Don't be shy. It's okay.
Pretty girl.
Yes. They're also such beautiful children.
Đúng rồi. Các em là những thiên thần rất là xinh đẹp. Rồi, hỏi cô khỏe không gì đó. Hỏi đến từ từ. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. And how are you today?
Cô hỏi con khỏe.
I'm fine, thank you.
You're welcome. So nice to see you.
Rồi câu số 3.
How often do you cook?
I cook maybe 5 days a week.
Cô nấu ăn là 5 ngày một tuần. Một tuần cô dành ra 5 ngày để cô nấu ăn. Con nấu ăn, con hay ăn.
I cook every day.
Good.
That's wonderful. Do you cook?
Để mình đọc lại lời đã.
I cook often.
Con nấu ăn bao nhiêu lần một ngày?
Once a week.
Đầu tiên á hả? Once a week.
Once a week.
Once a week. That's great. What do you cook?
Con nấu cái gì?
What
Hai
do
bạn
you cook?
thế nó tốt.
I cook noodle and
Noodles.
Jelly. Right? Wow. She can cook noodle and jelly.
Wow. Wonderful.
Jelly.
And what do you cook?
Con có thể
I can cook egg,
fried
veg,
rice, vegetable.
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 Wow. Very nice.
Tuyệt.
Very proud of you.
What foods do you think are difficult to
Difficult.
để con hỏi cho
Để nên câu hỏi.
What food do you think are difficult to cook?
I think sometimes it's difficult to cook hamburgers.
Hamburger. Món cô nghĩ là món khó nhất là món hamburger.
Yes, because you can easily overcook them.
Do you know hamburger? Do you know? Con biết hamburger không?
Yes.
Have you
Yeah.
ever eat? Ăn chưa? Chưa hả? How is
Do you like hamburger?
Do you like? Cô nói thích đâu? Thích hamburger không?
No.
No.
No. Do you like hamburger?
I
How
think
about
hamburger
you?
is very delicious. Delicious. Ngon mà. Maybe it's a hat party, right?
Party. Okay.
And greasy.
Bun.
Hỏi tiếp một câu nữa đi xuống nè. Hỏi cái câu gì ta? Cái câu này, cái câu số 4 á. Ever. Cái từ đó là ever. Đồ hà đó. Do you
ever cook for other people?
Yes, I do.
Dĩ nhiên là
I
có.
always cook for other people. Yes. Do you?
I do for my sister and brother.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yes.
And do you cook for anyone?
Yes, I do for my family.
That's wonderful. Very nice. I cook for my son.
Rồi nghe cô nói
I cook for my friends,
cô nói là cô nấu cho
my
con trai con
family.
nè, cho bạn bè cô, cho gia đình cô nè. Wow.
I love to cook.
Maybe you are a best cook, right, Miss?
Excuse me?
You are best cook in your family?
Yes.
Yes.
Sometimes I have 3 other sisters, and my mother and father were very, 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 very good cooks.
Oh.
And, we have a lot of traditional recipes from Italy, but I like to cook other food too. I can cook Mexican food, tacos. Do you know tacos?
Taco. Taco.
Yes.
Can you
Yes.
spell it?
T
T
A
A
C O.
D O
C.
T T A T O.
No. T A C O.
T A C O.
Mexican food from Mexico.
Yes, I know. Cái món đó từ nước Mexico á, Mexico. It's a strange food. Maybe it's strange
Yes.
food for me.
Yes. It's strange, but maybe someone could send me a recipe for spring rolls or summer rolls, Vietnamese style.
Yes, of
Yes.
course. Yes, of course.
Yes. I love those.
Yes. Rồi chào cô. Chào cô. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, ladies. It was very nice talking to you.
Rất vui, cô nói rất vui được không? Hết giờ hả? Oh, okay, thank you, Miss. What time do you go to work?
What time is it now? Wait, let me check the.
Cô đi đâu rồi?
Is that okay?
Yes, I'm here.
I'm muted?
What time do you go to work? Today, do you go to work?
I can stay another 10 minutes.
Yes. Because our students have to go home now, so they are
Okay.
yes, they are very
Okay.
looking forward to come back home.
Yes.
Yes.
I know.
Yes, and thank you for this conversation today, Miss.
Anytime. So I will see you again on the 14th.
What, Miss?
The 14th of September is the next time I will see you.
Yes, I know. The 14th of September, right? 14.
Yes.
14, right?
Yes.
Ngày
Not
19, ngày 14 tháng 9 mới là gặp lại cô. Yes, okay, I remember.
okay. Thank you.
Yes.
I will
Okay.
text you. I will remind you in WhatsApp.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, now our student will say goodbye you.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Bye. Say hello to Sister